Your business is growing, and so are the number of transactions your company does. With increasing number of orders, your purchase department fails to manage its suppliers, leading to frequent delays in procurement. Your untrackable inventory results in poor production planning. And now, your orders are always delivered late, making your customers unhappy. You struggle to get a real-time, comprehensive overview of your own business. And before you know it, you lose on potential profits and even customers. There has to be a better way. Presenting TranZact, a cloud-based transaction software designed by IIT IIM graduates. In TranZact, all business documents are linked to a unique transaction timeline, making each one of them trackable and easy to access. This eliminates multiple data entry points and reduces human error. You can receive multiple codes, compare them, and send a PO instantly. Once you create GRN, it automatically updates inventory. You can manage production processes easily and track all your sales invoices anywhere, anytime. The Business Intelligence module with customizable reports gives a complete real-time business overview. TranZact seamlessly integrates with Delhi, Excel, and existing software. We provide top-notch training to all your teams. You can go live within 2 weeks. 24/7 support means we will always be there for you. Unleash the full potential of your growing business. TranZact, your business at your fingertips.